Imagine walking down a city street. Concrete, glass, and steel everywhere. But hidden in plain sight is a secret pantry, a feast of wild, free, and nutrient-rich food. This is urban foraging, discovering nature's bounty right where you live. You don't need a forest. Your local park, alley, or even sidewalk cracks can offer edible treasures. Our ancestors survived by knowing their environment intimately, identifying edible plants, healing herbs, and energy-rich roots. That knowledge is our birthright, connecting us to the earth and making us more resilient. Foraging is empowering, a primal victory that builds confidence and self-sufficiency. Dandelions in the sidewalk? Not just weeds, but vitamin-packed salad greens. Wild garlic in the park? The makings of a delicious pesto. These plants are opportunities, proof of nature's persistence and generosity. This adventure starts right outside your door, with just a shift in mindset. Foraging is about more than free food. It's about reconnecting with the seasons and understanding where your food truly comes from. You become an active participant in your own well-being, relying on your senses and judgment. It's a journey that builds real-world skills and confidence. So get ready, we're about to unlock the secrets of the urban jungle. You're on the path to becoming a modern-day hunter-gatherer. The adventure is calling. Will you answer? Let's step outside and begin. The city's hidden feast awaits. Today, food supply chains are fragile. Storms or disruptions can empty store shelves overnight. Prices keep rising, making us feel powerless and dependent. Foraging is more than a hobby. It's a vital skill for modern survival. It gives you control and a secret insurance policy. If stores run dry, you can still find nourishment. This isn't about fear, but smart preparation. Wild foods are often more nutrient-dense than supermarket produce, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Foraging builds resilience, not just in your food supply, but in yourself. It teaches resourcefulness, observation, and adaptability, key survival traits anywhere. You'll see opportunity where others see only weeds. In uncertain times, this skill is a powerful anchor. It grounds you, connects you, and proves you can thrive, no matter what. Foraging is true independence. Foraging is one of humanity's oldest skills. Our ancestors survived by knowing the land intimately. They read the seasons, identified plants, and passed this knowledge down through generations. Modern life has made us forget these basics, trading self-sufficiency for convenience. Urban foraging reclaims that heritage, adapting ancient skills for the city. It's not about abandoning modern life, but integrating powerful knowledge into your routine. Identifying wild garlic or blackberries taps into instincts that kept our ancestors alive. It's deeply rewarding, a connection to something bigger and older than ourselves. Foraging empowers you to step outside the consumer cycle, even in small ways. You become an active producer, not just a passive buyer. This builds accomplishment, independence, and a new appreciation for your world. Ancient skills are your key to modern resilience. The past and future meet in every foraged meal. Start walking in your ancestors' footsteps, right in your city. Your foraging grounds are everywhere. No wilderness required. Start with city parks, greenways, and public gardens. Look along edges and wilder corners. Transitional zones, where nature meets neglect, are hotspots for edible plants. Always check local regulations before foraging in public spaces. Don't overlook forgotten spaces, alleys, verges, old lots, or even your own backyard. Many weeds like dandelion, plantain, and chickweed are nutritious edibles. Turn weeding into harvesting. 0 food miles. Maximum freshness. Change your perspective. See green spaces as ecosystems, not just scenery. Notice what grows in cracks, at lamp posts, or along fences. Nature is everywhere. Your job is to become observant and opportunistic. The city is your map. The treasures are waiting. Explore with curiosity and respect. Identification is the most important foraging skill. Your safety depends on it. The golden rule: if you're not 100% sure, don't eat it. Start with easy, unmistakable plants like dandelion. Jagged leaves, hollow stems, bright yellow flowers, and no poisonous lookalikes. Broadleaf plantain is another beginner's friend, oval leaves, parallel veins, and stringy fibers. Once you spot it, you'll see it everywhere. Build your knowledge with a good field guide. Clear photos, detailed descriptions, and info on lookalikes. Cross-reference with multiple sources, use apps as a backup, not your only tool. Learn from experienced foragers if you can. Use all your senses, look, touch, smell, and observe the plant's shape and growth pattern. Take your time. Accuracy is more important than speed. The plants aren't going anywhere. Double and triple check every find. If in doubt, leave it out. Foraging is about patience and precision. Your life depends on it. Safe identification is your first wild harvest. Foraging is about stewardship, not just taking. Harvest sustainably. Never take more than 10% of any patch. Leave enough for plants to regenerate and for wildlife to thrive. Take a few leaves from each plant, not all from one. If digging roots, only harvest where the plant is abundant and fill in your holes. Leave no trace, respect the land, avoid polluted areas, busy roads, sprayed lawns, or industrial sites. Forage where it's clean and healthy. Know the rules, ask permission if you're unsure about land access. Responsible foraging protects plants, the environment, and your access for the future. The health of nature is your own health. Harvest with gratitude and care. Once home, inspect your wild harvest carefully. Remove insects, damaged leaves, and double-check plant identity. If in doubt, throw it out. Safety first. Wash everything thoroughly in cold water, swishing to remove dirt and grit. Lift greens out of the water to leave dirt behind. Repeat until water is clear. For extra cleaning, use a vinegar soak for berries or greens from high-traffic areas, then rinse again. Dry your greens well. Excess moisture causes spoilage. Use a salad spinner or clean towel to dry. Proper cleaning preserves quality and safety. Now your wild harvest is ready for the kitchen. You've safely brought food from the wild to your table. Enjoy the fruits of your adventure. Foraging isn't just about a single meal. It's about preserving abundance for year-round resilience. Dry leafy greens like nettle or dandelion in bundles, then crush into a powder for soups or smoothies. Dry edible flowers or roots for teas or coffee substitutes. Freeze berries after washing and drying, spread on a tray, then store in bags. Blanch and freeze wild greens for instant nutrition. Infuse vinegar with wild herbs for unique flavors. Make jams and preserves to capture summer in a jar. These simple techniques turn forage finds into pantry staples. You become a provider, building a unique, healthy, and resilient food supply. This is true food security, crafted by your own hands. You've uncovered the city's hidden pantry and learned the basics of urban foraging. Food grows all around us, even in the heart of the city. You know why foraging matters, where to look, how to identify, and how to harvest with respect. The gap between weed and meal is closing. This journey is about rediscovery, reconnecting with your resourceful, observant, and resilient self. Every wild meal builds confidence and self-reliance. The world becomes a living provider, not just a backdrop. Start small. Choose one plant, like dandelion, and learn it well. Harvest a few leaves, wash, and add them to your salad. That first step is a huge victory. With each new plant, your knowledge and confidence grow. This skill will serve you for life. The adventure is waiting outside your door. Be curious, be safe, be respectful. See your world in a new light. You have the power to become more resilient and self-sufficient. The urban jungle is ready to reveal its secrets. Your survival adventure begins now. Go out and thrive.